Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Gruvgear Guitar. We have Luke comes, always delivers this guy, and he does this Sleepless in a Hotel Room song, like it's a studio version. So yeah, this is a 4-chord song, can't go wrong with him. If you have a guitar and want to play, this is the right song for you. So let's go into it. We have K-pop set here on the 1st fret. With that, we have 4 very common chords. So let's go into the chords. We're gonna start with E minor, which is open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, open E. Next is the G chord. We have third E, second A, open D, open G, third B, third E. The third is A minor, open A, second D, second G, first B, open E, and finally we have C. Third A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. And that order is the order of it through the entire song. We're going to play E minor, G, A minor, and C. Alright, so we have a strumming that covers 2 chords, 2 parts. So E minor and G, that's what we want to start to look at. And E minor is played like this. Okay, so that is down, then down, up, down, and that's it. So okay, so down, down, up, down, and then you switch chord to G now in this case, and you play down, up, down, 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 up. So that down comes right after this E minor, so you have to switch and play fast there to come into the next chord G there. So down, up, down, 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 up. That's the part 2. And then you translate this into the next 2 chords. You're going to play A minor in the same way you play E minor. Down, down, up, down, and then switch to C. And that's a very easy transition there to go fast from A minor to C. And you play that in the same way as you play the G. Down, up, down, 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 up. So I'm going to take down the tempo a bit for you to understand what's going on. And play one round for you, and then speed up to standard tempo. Let's go. So, doesn't have to be harder than that. Luke comes, Sleepless in a Hotel Room, 4 chords, 1 strumming pattern, and rock and roll, guys. So, hope you enjoyed it. Till next time, play tuned.